Most people can agree that there is no one magic hold down for anything. I personally use, for most of my items, I use the wedges. You'll see the little hold downs. Let's say, for instance, I had to hold down the Christmas tree. It wouldn't be very easy. Well, with double-sided tape is one option, but I could simply go and put a couple of these things. That's not going anywhere, and I only needed 2. But most of the time, you'll actually have 3 or 4. There are other hold-down methods. There's the clamps, and I highly recommend that you make your own clamps or get one of, Rockler and all these people make these aluminum clamps. I'll show you, and Dave, I'm sure, will show you a bunch of different sliced aluminum clamps and pieces of clamps. Oh, don't worry. It won't hurt the machine. It slices through it like butter. The bits, they get expensive when you start cutting into them. So those making your own clamps is useful. Hold downs. Another method is obviously use your spoil board as a true spoil board and just screw right into the thing. But pretty soon you're going to have to change it because you got so many screw holes in it that it's unlevel and everything.